go over the controls on your TFT display here. First of all, we'll go over the main information here. On the bottom left, we have ambient temperature. TAC, of course, sweeps across the middle. Now, when you first start it, you'll notice the red line stays a little lower. That, as the bike warms up, it will move up to a higher red line. Got your miles per hour here. Top line is going to be your information line. Information on the left, and current mode is on the right-hand side. You have your gear indicator, and you also have your clock down in the bottom corner. Let's scroll down to the menus below. First is My Vehicle. Scroll down. You'll notice there are multiple pages going across here. We'll start with the first page, which is My Vehicle. This gives you the basic information about the bike. Water temperature, oil, tire pressure monitoring front and rear, voltage, and distance till empty. Scroll right to the next page. The next page is Trip 1, noted by the 1 next to the road at the top. This gives you all of the information based on this trip. You'll note that there is an arrow down. Let's move down to show you how to reset. If you want to reset individual values, first scroll down using the Wonder Wheel. To reset individual values, scroll right, scroll down until you reach the value that you want to reset. Once it's highlighted, twist right to reset. To exit out of this menu, twist left. Scroll up. To reset all values, twist right. Press up on the menu button to exit. To go to the Trip 2 menu, twist right. This is Trip 2, noted by the number 2 by the road next to the trip computer. All these values have been unaffected by resetting Trip 1. If you want to reset Trip 2, follow the same procedure. Press down on the menu button. Twist down. Twist right to reset. Press up on the menu button to exit. To go to the next screen, twist right. This is your tire pressure screen. Not only shows you current tire pressure on the top row, but shows you the recommended spec of the tire pressure on the bottom. Twist right to go to the next screen. This screen shows you when your service is due, both by a due date and by miles remaining until service is due. Twist right to go to the next screen. This screen displays messages based on your bike's status. Press menu up to exit. Scroll right. Navigation menu is grayed out since there is no phone linked with this system. Scroll right. Media is grayed out since there is no phone linked with this system. Scroll right. Telephone is grayed out because there is no phone synced with this system. Scroll right. Let's explore settings. Menu down. First, we'll enter vehicle settings. Scroll right. Tire pressure monitoring is in RDC. Scroll right. To turn off tire pressure monitoring, twist right. With the box unchecked, tire pressure monitoring is now temporarily deactivated. To reactivate it, twist right again. To exit this menu, scroll left. Scroll down. Hill Start Control menu is to the right. Scroll right. You can scroll up and down to select how you would like this set. Once you have the desired selection highlighted, twist right to OK. Twist left to exit. Scroll down. To toggle Dynamic Pro riding modes, twist right. Each setting here can be entered by twisting right. Scroll up and down till the desired setting is reached. Twist right to confirm. Twist left to exit. Scroll down. Scroll right to set dynamic traction control settings. Scroll up and down until the desired value is achieved. Then twist right to confirm setting. Scroll left to exit. Scroll down. To reset to factory settings, scroll right. Let's reset to factory settings now. Scroll down. Twist right. You have now reset to factory settings. To exit, twist left. Twist left again. Scroll down. Scroll right to enter system settings. System settings are for your date and time, metric or standard, or to adjust language. To set any of these, scroll right, adjust, and then scroll left to exit. Scroll down. Scroll right. To pair a phone, first make sure that your phone is updated to the latest version. Next, scroll right. At this point, set your phone in pairing mode. Then scroll right. If your phone was in pairing mode, it would appear here. You would select it, and then your phone would be paired. Scroll left to exit. Scroll left again to exit. Scroll down. If you have a comm system on your helmet, this would be where you would pair it. Scroll right. At this point, you would set your comm system into pairing mode. Scroll right. If your helmet was in pairing mode, you would see it appear here and select it. Left to exit. Left again. Scroll down. If you were pairing your passenger's helmet, you would follow the same procedure here as you did on rider's helmet. Scroll down. Delete connections is for deleting or modifying current connections on your TFT display. To modify those connections, scroll right. If you had connections like your phone or your comm system, they would appear here. You could select them to delete them. Scroll left to exit. And scroll left again. Scroll down. Scroll right. You can set the brightness of your TFT display. Scroll right. Scroll up and down till the desired quantity is achieved. Scroll right to select. Scroll left to exit. Scroll down. Scroll right to set your status line content. Scroll up and down to select which items you want to appear in the top line of your status bar. I recommend only selecting the items that you really want to have appear. By having less items there, it makes it easier to scroll through the menus and less confusing. Each one of these items can be toggled on or off by twisting right. Notice the box is not checked now. That line item will not appear in the status line at the top now. Any of the items that do have checks boxes will appear. To reactivate it, twist right again. Once each one of these items has been selected on or off to the way that you desire to have it set, twist left to exit. Twist left. Scroll down, scroll right. The information menu is primarily for mechanics. It shows licensing agreements and software versions of your TFT display. Let's scroll left to exit. Scroll down. To access the Reset All menu, scroll right. If you want to reset to your factory settings, scroll down and then twist right to OK. If not, scroll up and twist right on Cancel. Menu up and menu up again. We've now returned to the main screen. If you want to toggle through the top display, simply press up on the menu button. You will see all the ones that we have checked the boxes for appear at the top.